let's get to work. The scrubbing continues. I have to scrub about every inch of the inside of this boat. I'm trying to cover up any supplies I have down there for all this stuff that's gonna fall. It's so much. I leave covered in it every time. It's a constant game of move the supplies, clean under the supplies, move the supplies from this side, work under this side. Try to keep as much stuff as possible off the boat, but it's hard when you got to use so much to work on it. I'm chipping the epoxy that was holding down the strips, the wooden strips that the floor was attached to. So I have to chip it. It's really hard. It took a while to do the whole floor, but it was kind of fun to hit it and watch it, the whole chip go flying. So I didn't mind doing this part. It just, at the end of the day, my thumb hurt. It didn't help. I hit it a couple times with the mallet, but yeah. I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes today, and I don't understand because it's raining. Well, it's sprinkling, but why are the mosquitoes out? I don't get it. Starting off another day, I'm moving everything into one side so I can work on the other side. Guess it never gets old. The glasses keep fogging up. It was only in the high 90s on this day. This is the last little section of the floor that needed to be cleaned and chiseled. Watching the tide roll out. This last little piece of wood from the part that was covering the main berth, the wall of it, it's giving me such a hard time. I didn't want to cut through the wires. I need to take my time to see what goes where and what has to be rewired. So I was trying to get it out. They were cut with a hole. So I was trying to get it out, the wiring, and then the hose. I don't know why I was struggling so hard with the hose because I know I'm going to replace it. But I was trying my best not to cut it. There I'm zip tying some of the wires away. And then again, I'm fighting with this one little bit that's holding that hose. That's gonna be replaced, so I don't know why it got me so aggravated, and I just gave up. I was like, forget it. I'll come back to it later. I'll just clean around it. I looked over and saw a little birdie friend over there playing in the water. You can see here it's not my favorite spot. Look at how hot it is in that one corner. I mean, I look, girl, so sweating, and oh my goodness, it was horrible. Can't wait to get that out of there. And I'm just adding a latch to the door. Another pretty day. Now I'm finally finished with this corner, the hottest spot on the boat. And I'm like, oh, I'm done with it. I'm just over it. And that's it for that day.